Hello there. Let's have a quick technical analysis on Kroger Company, the retail company. Kroger published its earning report before market opening. Right now, it's down a little bit, 1% around. So, how do you trade this company with your trading strategy intraday? Let me show you my chart. This is the weekly chart first of all. In the weekly chart, as you can see clearly here, there is a trading range from 43 handle to 49 handle. So the trading strategy by using the trading range is if it's close to the upper level of the trading range or above it, you could try to short it or sell your position. If it's below the trading range, you could long or buy your positions. This is a very simple strategy for trading, but this time frame is quite big. It's weekly chart. So you could hold it for a week, or a month in terms of this trading range. And also, you can see that there's two average line here. This one is 120 average line. This one is 200 average line. So these two lines, especially 120 average line, is very important. As you can see here, it got supported by these two lines here. It didn't even touch the 120 average line. So 120 average line, especially here and here, it start to touches 120. So in the midterm, as long as it's above 120 average line, you should not short this stock for long term. When it's go below 120 average line, that is a chance you could jump in to short it. So by using the average line, you got a simple strategy as well. Above it, try to long it. Below it, you could start to short it. All right, that's very quick technical analysis from me.